the fall off the bone. Let me use my hand. It's hot, but yeah. Welcome to the Miss Kitchen and welcome back. Oh, whoops. Look at this epic apron. Okay, so for today we are going to make my personal favorite, baby back ribs. Barbecue baby back ribs. Okay, to start with, so this is dry rub baby back ribs, and these are the ingredients. Start with ground white pepper, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, smoked and browned, allspice. This is barbecue salt, chili powder, salt, and the most important ingredient, liquid smoke. Alright, so basically we're gonna have 1 tablespoon of everything. I forgot, we will put sugar in here, brown sugar. It's somewhere there. So let's go, without further ado, let's cook! Okay, for our rub, we will need 1 tablespoon of this ones, and we need 1/3 cup of sugar. So I'm using palm sugar because this is most common here in Indonesia. 1/3 cup. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of chili powder, paprika. I think this is, I'll put it all. This around allspice, 1 tablespoon. Barbecue salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, so I will put 2 tablespoons kinds of garlic powder, but if you have, feel free to use it. Then 1 tablespoon of green onion powder. If you have onion powder, it's okay, but what I have is green. And 1 tablespoon of normal salt. Okay, that's our dry rub. Just mix it together, out together, out together, just like in my wife's. We will rub this in our ribs. Now, it will help to your rib ahead with the liquid smoke and some salt. So, but if you forgot, it's okay. But this time we will just remove the membrane because there's a membrane over here, and it will not help our ribs to be good. Yeah, so it's just easy. Just find the end of that membrane, and usually it comes it peels off it will peel off like in one go. So yeah, here it is. I got lucky because I found the end. Sometimes it's hard to get, sometimes it's very easy. So yep, if your butcher can take it off for you, better, but if not, it's okay, you can do it on your own. Okay, so you can see that membrane, it should come out. Nice and clean. There you go, like a plastic wrapper. There you go, just in one go. Nice. That's beautiful. Then let's rub the liquid smoke. So this says, I think this is 2 tablespoons per pound of beef, per pound of meat. So this is like 2.2 pound, 1 kilo. So marinate it a little bit with the liquid smoke. So because I have a small working space, I will cut the ribs into half before putting the rub, so it will be easy. So like Sunday morning. There we go. Now we need this container, aluminum container for each slab. Hopefully it will fit. So just prepare it there, and then prepare your rub. Alright. Set this aside, and then bam. Scatter it and rub it. This is done. Get this and put the ribs here. There you go. One is done. Okay, second one. So we have 2 containers here. One for me, one for my wife. So your favorite baby back ribs. So seal it. So waiting for the oven to be preheated 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 hours. Alright, so for your rub, you don't want to waste your rub, store it for later. You can still use it for the next batch of barbecue ribs. Yeah, we'll be back after a few minutes. Alright, there, 350. Bye, see you later. 2 hours and 30-second checkpoint. Alright. Okay. Well, let's see. It's already fall off the bone. 2 hour mark. Nice. What's in your mouth? Just right flavor. Hold up. I wanna taste. Nice. Okay, see you in 1 more hour. Okay, it's 12:10 and it has been 4 hours. My wife is already sleeping, so she will taste this tomorrow. So time is up. It's the moment of truth. I hope you can see the smoke. Oh. There we go. Smoky. And just right. Okay, so I'll try to do this one hand, or okay, let us get the other one. See? Whoa! There you go, the smoke. And it looks good. Okay, let me. There we go. The fall off the bone. Let me use my hand. It's hot, but yeah. The fall off the bone. Oh, so good. See you tomorrow. Okay, frying fries here for my wife's side dish. This is homemade fries. Just put this here. Yum. Okay, drizzle of barbecue sauce. And serve it to the hungry wife. Hey love, ready for lunch?
Yes! Wow!
Ready?
Wow! Okay, lunch. Fall off the bone. Perfect.
Bye. Like, share, and subscribe.